YouTube. Welcome YouTube. Again, this is me with another project here. And here's my Mosfet amplifier. One Mosfet, a couple capacitors, running off of 5 volts. I just got an adapter pushing my little power strip here. See the Mosfet capacitors. Pushing a 25 watt speaker. It's 2 times as loud as the last amp I built. Matter of fact, we got the volume turned halfway down. You turn the volume up and it starts distorting. So, and it fills the whole room. In fact, the bass is quite spectacular. So I'm quite satisfied with this one for sure. One more look at it. Again, this song is not owned by me. This is Alice in Chains. So, and I guess I'm third party playing it subsequently off of somebody else's channel on YouTube here. Kind of like I just did on my last video, and they tried to hit me with some sort of copyright thing or something, or third party copyright. I don't know, yet they said it was still available. I'm not real sure what they were talking about. So anyway, so I just wanted to clarify that. I mean, I'm pretty sure everybody's common sense would, well anyway, I don't want to be too rhetorical, but I figured people would just know that. It's quite obvious I'm playing it off of YouTube. So it's not my channel playing the song, therefore I'm not the one doing the copyright. Anyway, have a good one. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, not a bribe. Have a good one. Thank you, YouTube.